trending up 23.88%. This is Wednesday, the 5th of November, 2025. Intraday high $15.52. The company discloses strong earnings beat. Okay. As a result of all of this, the stock is showing a lot of strength within a longer term neutral trend, if not bearish trend. That was okay. Yeah, we will say neutral trend. The extrapolation of its 3-day moving average is saying that the strength may remain in place up till Friday. Okay, no guarantee that that will be the case. And after that, it may a contraction is expected, going all the way towards the middle of December of this year. No guarantee that that will be the case. That's an extrapolation going towards so many days. So the odds of that happening is not very high. Projections are currently saying 12.77, 12.19. Those are downward projections as of today. As of Monday, they thought it had as high as 18.43, 17.59, 16.21. Okay. Let's see now. Before now, the stock was consolidating around its 40-day move. No, it's 200-day moving average, as a matter of fact. So yeah, the extrapolation is saying that it's validating that. The extrapolation of its 10-day moving average saying that momentum is going to decay and the stock will drop below its 10-day moving average by maybe the 10th, or Monday the 10th or Tuesday the 11th, one of those days. And that moving average, that 10-day moving average is currently way, okay, it's rising by 1.99 points every day as things stand right now. Okay, what are the odds that all of that will happen? Okay, so let's see now. The stock is currently trending. We could just have a look at its weekly chart. I think the most pivotal challenge it has is currently 15.71. It has actually has come close to testing that. So maybe the odds of it testing 16.92 has improved. It has improved statistically. Let's see now. The odds of it testing that is not very high at all. It's not very high. I can assure you, statistically, it's less than 1%, or maybe probably let's just say 1%. But it's also within those tiny probabilities that this sort of high was also printed. It's always it's always it's always with a tiny probability that they get to be printed. You can see here now statistically 15.79. Yeah, we can see it's also tiny as well, and it has already tested those sort of levels. So even though it says it's not very high that it's going to print, it may still print it anyway. On the weekly chart, we have we have a couple of the pivotal projection here is 22.53. So, and if it does that, then the odds of it printing 23.46 improves. So I think our best bet will be the projections we have on the weekly chart. Our best bet will be the projections it has here, which is this one. If it breaks through, it has actually done that. So the probability of it going on to test higher prices may be there. It has improved, maybe 16.21, 17.59, possibly. Okay. One other thing we could do is have a look at its market grid to see what it's going to say. That will be well. Let's move on to its 4-hour chart and see. Yeah, here strength is expected to remain in place up till tomorrow's pre-market session, and after that, after contracting this expansion, you may contract in the you may have a contraction that is accumulative towards Friday the 14th of November. So there seem to be a divergence. Okay, though there's a world where this extrapolation here on the 4-hour chart may align with what is on the daily chart. Okay, let's see whether we can get projections here. 15.63, but I was going to have a look at its 1-hour chart to see what the market grid is going to give us. It gives us a trading range, but within that we can pick out projections. No, it hasn't reacted yet. So this is a recent it's a recent action. Let's see. So it was 1 hour chart rather. Yeah, we have 1 hour chart. Let's see the projections. It's projections. It's giving us 16 point. Yeah, you see what I mean? Yeah, yeah. So it's saying there has a potential to print 16.09, and on the daily chart, it's those that's the next upper projection. Yeah. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. 16.09 is the top of the grid. At the bottom of the grid is 14.66. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see how it goes. Yeah, okay. The stock is currently trending. Let's find out more about all the earnings and much more.
Rivian, RIVN, is making headlines after a double digit stock surge following a major Q3 earnings beat and an unexpectedly bullish 2025 outlook, sparking excitement and renewed optimism among investors. The company reported revenue of $1.56 billion, up 78% year over year, and well above analyst expectations of roughly $1.5 billion. This impressive growth was fueled by strong automotive sales, which climbed 47% to $1.14 billion, thanks to higher vehicle deliveries and better average selling prices. One of the biggest surprises came from Rivian's software and services division, where revenue soared over 300% to $416 million, signaling expanding adoption of its proprietary in house vehicle software platform, a key differentiator in the increasingly competitive EV space. Many investors see this as a sign that Rivian is successfully evolving from a pure automaker into a vertically integrated tech driven company, capable of generating recurring revenue beyond just vehicle sales. The company's 2025 guidance also struck a bullish tone, with management forecasting higher production efficiency, margin improvements, and stronger demand for its upcoming R2 model set to expand Rivian's reach into the mid priced EV market. This upbeat outlook has fueled speculation of a potential short squeeze, as traders note high short interest in the stock, coupled with rising retail momentum and institutional inflows. However, not all reactions have been positive. Some investors remain cautious, pointing to Rivian's rising debt levels and ongoing cash burn, which could pressure its balance sheet if the broader EV market weakens or if production hiccups occur. There's also active debate around the company's long term investment potential, with bulls highlighting its brand loyalty, strong design, and software ecosystem, while bears question profitability timelines and competition from Tesla, Ford, and emerging EV startups. Adding intrigue to the story is chatter about a potential AI and robotics spin-off, which some community members believe can unlock no value and position Rivian at the cutting edge of autonomous and smart manufacturing technology. Overall, sentiment around Rivian has shifted sharply in recent days, from survival fears to speculative excitement, as the company's Q3 performance reignites hope that it may finally be turning the corner towards sustainable growth.
Yeah, as things stand right now, it has to be one of the most active. You can see 190 million shares have crossed the tape, and you can see how volatile the stock is, the market is. People are discovering prices. Yeah, yeah. Let's see how things go, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.